Damn.
I was supposed to come in after 2, but I didn't want to.
Oh man.
Excellent.
They just keep getting better and better.
If I'd had a little bit more speed, I could have turned my direction quicker. Got it. Wasn't quite going fast enough.
Expert piloting.
There's room for that third one there.
A little tight, was it?
Yeah.
You weren't ready for that, was you? I kind of thought maybe you would have heard me. I was going one more.
I heard you.
Probably told me. I like that right off the get-go though. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
It worked all right.